Welcome to week 3, and this layout is going to seem very familiar, seeing as it's pretty much identical to week 2. So we will just jump into the folder right away. And as you see, you have another discussion and you have another quiz to complete. This one is on emerging technologies, specifically self-driving cars, and the quiz this week is on plagiarism. So we will do this piece first. So opening the document, a little bit different this week, less of a written piece and more of a fill in the blanks. So first thing I want you to do, if you've never been in a self-driving car, I would like you to have a look at this video. And you might get a warning from Blackboard that's going to corrupt your system, blah, blah, blah. They're lying. It's fine. So it's this video. It takes us on a freaky little ride for about 4 minutes. And it's kind of a news story as well. So I will let you guys review that at your leisure. Kind of fun. Probably watch it once just to get a gist of what they're talking about. And the second time through, I want you to create what's called a SWOT analysis, where you look at the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats afforded by the use of these vehicles in our cities, especially in North America. Okay, I think they talk about Arizona mostly, where it's always sunny and dry, not like here. Anyway, that's what my plan for you with that video. Now, second thing I want you to do is read these 2 articles, okay? Pretty new, pretty recent. One saying why we won't have to be having these things anytime soon in Ontario, and the other one, what is the future of driverlessness in Ontario. So again, look at those 2 articles and complete a similar chart. What are the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats discussed in these 2 articles? All right, so once you have created both of those charts, I want you to do a little analysis. And the statement is, now that these cars are available, write a paragraph to give your opinion of whether the opportunities or the threats will have the bigger impact on people's interaction and priorities in our mobile commuting society. So go back to your charts, have a look at the opportunities and threats sections, and let that inform how you present your opinion in this paragraph. And you can use I, me, my, first person as you write this up because it is your opinion. Now, by Wednesday at noon, I want you to have completed that work and posted it in the discussion board for your peers to respond. Your peer is given the task of providing their own comment on the opinion that you provide. And it has to be more than, oh yeah, I agree with you, good job, great writing, that was, really good. No, we need a minimum of 3 sentences of actual analytical feedback on the opinion that your peer provides. Okay, so just like last week, you will be going into the discussion board, and as it says, thoughtful response to and comment on your peer's opinion. It is only worth 1 mark this week. That's why it only needs to be about 3 sentences. The other marks come from the opinion that you write, and then your analysis, your chart analyses are worth 3 marks. So same idea that you will go in, create your thread. Once it's posted, then your peer can go in and provide you with a response. I do prefer that you choose someone who does not have a response already, so that we don't end up with 1 person with 5 responses and another person with 0. All right, once you have finished that post, I would like you to scoot over and do the plagiarism tutorial. This one does have some reading aligned with it. Plagiarism is a bit of a factor here at the college, and we have noticed with the online life that it has increased a little bit. We just want to prevent that from continuing into the future and have you be aware of the consequences of plagiarism, especially as you come to creating such a large document as the website that you will be continuing to develop in the weeks to come. So I want you to have a look at the Georgian College videos on plagiarism, read a couple of sections of our academic policies and procedures, as well as how the misconduct works, and then complete the plagiarism quiz below. Okay, yeah, and that is also another link to the misconduct page. That is it for this week, just the 2 things that you need to do. And if you find that you've completed those really quickly, maybe it's a good time to go back and just pop into week 1 again and have another look at the website creation assignment. Make sure your ideas are percolating on the right track, because next week you will begin the step 1 of the task. So if you have extra time this week, maybe get going on that. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks.